Now we're outside of Building E. This is the newest building on campus, and it houses our corporate center and enterprise services employees. Steve Black was a member of the team that brought this building to life, and during the construction, sustainability was definitely in mind. So Steve, if you could tell us a little bit about some of the sustainability features of the building.
Okay. The building is tilt-up construction. The outside walls are 8-inch thick concrete, and the walls are insulated inside the concrete. And we have insulated glass with a coating on it to reflect the sun's rays. We have an insulated roof with a white reflective coating up on the roof.
Okay, what about from the interior of the building? What about lighting?
Lighting is controlled by computer to be on during hours we need it on. And we use low mercury lighting, which are the fluorescent lighting is all recycled. Also, the lighting is indirect. It reflects off the ceiling back to the work area, which makes a much nicer work area.
Okay.
And takes a lot less power to do that.
Energy. Good. What about, you mentioned, I think, something about plumbing?
Plumbing, we use primarily point-of-use water heaters, which minimizes use of electricity to heat water and maintain the water heat.
Okay. Now, that's all the building features and things inside and outside, but what about employee practices and maybe some of the behaviors and things that we're seeing in the building? Okay,
we recycle cardboard and paper and the cafeteria products we use in there. The excess food from the cafeteria is given to local food banks.
Oh, great. Okay, and finally, I promise, last question. What about the grounds? Is there something that we can talk about there?
Near the building, we've used zoysia grass, which takes a lot less maintenance and chemicals and everything. And we try to minimize use of fertilizers on the property to avoid nitrates running off into the lake. And if we have pest control situations, such as fire ants or any kind of caterpillars or anything like that, we try to buy the pesticides that we need just for that application. We don't store it on site. We use it and don't store it.
Okay. Thank you very much, Steve.
Okay.